I'll be creating a local PKI user for a clientless VPN. This will be a two-factor authentication where the first factor is a username and password that's locally stored on the FortiGate, and the second factor will be a certificate that's stored on my end system. So the first thing you need to do is add the certificate into the FortiGate. I have a self-signed CA, which I imported here as a remote certificate. And then I also have a user certificate on my end system. If you're not seeing the certificate option under system, you need to go to feature visibility and enable certificates. The second step is to create a PKI user. You go to config user peer, you create the user, you reference the CA, you enable two-factor authentication, and you set up the password. Once you do that, you only have to do that for the first user. Then you can create every subsequent user via the GUI on the FortiGate. Again, under user authentications, once you create the first user in the CLI, you're going to get this option here. And from now on, you can create users, PKI users, using the GUI on the FortiGate. Once the user is created, I added the user to a user group here. And from there, I added the user group to my security policy. And then I added the user to my SSL VPN settings. You can see it right here, which I'm only giving them web only access. So let me test this out. I'm going to go to the clientless VPN portal, and you can see what it looks like here. The first thing that pops up when I go to the portal is it prompts me to which certificate I want to present to the FortiGate. I only have one certificate right now. So that's the client one certificate. So that's the one I'm going to present to the FortiGate. Now I'm prompted for a username and password. And I have the PKI user and my password. And there you go. I'm logged into the clientless VPN portal within the FortiGate. And again, it's using certificate and also username and password that's stored on the FortiGate. Thanks for watching.